So I'm back. Now I want to tell you guys a story about this Hyundai Tucson 2009. I've bought it a couple weeks ago, and I bought it with the problem with the turbo. Here's basically turbo I've replaced, and you can see what's happened here. It's just not only moving, but it's moving forward and back and up and down, everything like this. And it was like blowing the oil all over the exhaust, and also not only exhaust, only in intake. So it was like everything was on oil, and the car was just burning oil with the white smoke. So what I've got the turbo from scrapyard, from another car. And I've got turbo from Kia Sorento because it's almost the same, because it's very important to turbo have a temperature sensor. Actually, there is a 2 temperature sensor, because one time I ordered turbo and it come the wrong one, the smaller one from Hyundai Tucson. So I replaced it. I washed the intercooler, all the stuff. I tried to burn out the exhaust system, but it was very much smoke when I just replaced it. And I drive about 500 kilometers and it's still a lot of smoke. So otherwise the engine eating oil, or the new turbo I've replaced throwing oil again, the same as my old one. So now I'm gonna check the oil level. The oil level is a little bit low than the middle, but the car standing right now not so straight, so we don't know for sure. So now I'm gonna open this hose and I check what's inside. Okay, I remove the clamp, and now what we see here, let's do it like this. It is oil, but not so much, but it is oil. So I guess the new turbo is also throwing a little bit oil in intake. So I'm gonna drive more 300 kilometers and check again the level, and I'll let you know if it work or no, the change in turbo, or I need to replace it again. Man, it's really tough. So what's your ideas? Write in comments about this car. If it's a bad engine 2.0 diesel, or is the bad turbo.